Most people ask, where is the market going next? Experienced traders ask a different question. What will I do, no matter where it goes? That difference matters more than people realize. Predictions feel satisfying. They give you a sense of control, a clear direction to anchor your decisions to. But markets don't move based on what we expect. They move based on countless variables interacting in real time, many of which are impossible to fully account for. Even experienced analysts get predictions wrong constantly. That's not a flaw in their process, it's simply the nature of markets. A trading plan works differently. Instead of trying to guess what will happen, it defines how you'll respond to whatever does happen. That includes knowing in advance what conditions would make you enter a position, what would make you exit, how much you're willing to risk, and at what point you'd step back entirely. None of this requires being right about the future. It only requires consistency in how you react to it. This is the real advantage a plan gives you. When the market moves unexpectedly, and it always eventually does, someone relying purely on prediction is left reacting emotionally, often too late. Someone working from a plan already knows what to do. The decision was made in advance with a clear head, not in the middle of a stressful, fast-moving moment. That's not about being smarter than the market. It's about removing emotion from moments where emotion tends to cause the most damage. This is the kind of thinking FluxPointEdge is built around, moving away from guesswork and towards structured, consistent decision-making.